Nestled in the heart of Mérida, brimming with history and vibrant life, lies La Mejorada. Today, we discover a hidden gem, a colonial home reborn as a sanctuary. This 16th century Casona whispered tales of a bygone era. A family seeking a tranquil Yucatecan haven entrusted its revival to skilled architects. Respecting the past, unnecessary modern interventions were removed, revealing the home's true potential. 3 magnificent trees, a local cucumber, a regional mango, and an ancient oak became the guiding force. The architects envisioned a central courtyard, a tropical oasis. Its open design and verdant embrace bring the outdoors in, creating a refreshing sanctuary. Simple, natural materials capture the essence of Yucatecan architecture. White terrazzo floors enhance the feeling of spaciousness and light. The home, once again, embodies a unique blend of history and modern comfort. In La Mejorada's embrace, a colonial home finds new life. La Mejorada Oasis, a haven where history whispers and a family flourishes.